In a world increasingly dominated by artificial intelligence, a new and unexpected threat looms on the horizon: population collapse. While many of us associate AI with job automation, enhanced productivity, and technological marvels, leading experts now warn that its long-term consequences could be far more severe. Computer science Professor Subhash Kak, from Oklahoma State University and author of The Age of Artificial Intelligence, has issued a stark warning. According to his research, the Earth's population could plummet from today's 8 billion to as low as 100 million in the coming centuries. The surprising cause: not war, famine, or disease, but artificial intelligence itself. Kak argues that AI will not destroy us through hostile machines or science fiction-style robot uprisings. Instead, its impact will be more subtle, yet profoundly disruptive. As AI replaces human labor across nearly every sector: manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, education, finance, entire job markets will disappear. This economic uncertainty, coupled with the sense of redundancy among working-age populations, will discourage people from having children. This trend is already visible. In countries like South Korea, Japan, Italy, and several parts of Northern and Eastern Europe, birth rates have fallen below the replacement level. For instance, South Korea now has the lowest fertility rate in the world, at just 0.72 children per woman. European countries like Spain, Portugal, and Hungary are also experiencing similar demographic declines. One of the key concepts Kak introduces is the idea of AI-driven obsolescence. As human roles in the workforce continue to shrink, people begin to question their societal value. Young adults are delaying marriage, avoiding children, and focusing on careers that themselves are becoming increasingly unstable due to automation. The psychological impact of this shift is immense. Elon Musk has echoed similar concerns. Speaking at various conferences, Musk has stated that population collapse is a much bigger problem than people realize. He notes that while AI will make things easier in the short term, its societal consequences, particularly around purpose, motivation, and economic stability, will be devastating in the long term. Europe stands at the forefront of this demographic shift. Many European countries offer strong social benefits, but even generous parental leave, free childcare, and financial incentives for families have failed to reverse the trend. According to Eurostat, more than 20 EU countries recorded fewer births than deaths in recent years. Germany, despite being Europe's economic powerhouse, is struggling with a rapidly aging population. The issue is not simply economic, it's cultural and existential. Many younger Europeans are choosing not to bring children into a world they see as uncertain, automated, and devoid of long-term human opportunity. As AI becomes more deeply integrated into daily life, the incentive to start or grow families continues to diminish. If these patterns hold, Kak warns that major cities could become ghost towns by the 24th century, urban shells inhabited by machines and a shrinking elderly population. Imagine a future London or Berlin with vast infrastructure but very few residents. Schools, hospitals, and playgrounds lying empty. A society not devastated by war, but by its own technological success. Some might argue that humans will adapt, as we always have. But reversing this trend is proving to be extremely difficult. Once a country's fertility rate drops below a certain threshold, cultural shifts solidify, and it becomes nearly impossible to return to previous norms. AI may provide convenience and efficiency, but it also accelerates a deep-rooted crisis in human purpose and continuity. So, where does this leave us? It's not too late to rethink how we integrate AI into society. Policymakers, technologists, and communities need to collaborate on solutions that don't just focus on profit and progress, but also on people. This includes re-evaluating work-life balance, redefining the value of human roles, and promoting sustainable family planning. Education will play a crucial role. The younger generation must be equipped not only with technical skills but with philosophical and ethical frameworks that address the rapid transformation brought on by AI. Governments must also explore innovative incentives and create an environment where people feel secure enough to start families again. AI is not inherently evil, but its unchecked spread could bring about consequences we are only beginning to understand. A declining population may sound like a distant science fiction scenario, but the data suggests it's already underway. Europe is experiencing this shift more rapidly than other regions, making it a test case for the rest of the world. If we want to avoid a future where humanity fades into irrelevance, the time to act is now. What do you think? Could AI really lead to a population collapse? Or will we find a way to adapt before it's too late? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Let's build a community where meaningful conversations about our future are not just welcomed, but needed.